You will be needing a mixing tool and a bowl or container to mix your slime in. Then you need glue all. I'm using Elmer's. You'll also be needing lotion, foaming hand soap, some baby oil, foaming facial cleanser, cornstarch, and lastly, conditioner. Now add all of your ingredients into the bowl. After adding all of your ingredients, mix it all up. After you finish mixing all your ingredients, you want to add your activator. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water. And once you mix it, it should become stringy, and then you want to knead it until it becomes like this. There should be some cornstarch lumps, but those will go away in a few days. And I'm going to show you the texture. Now I'm going to let my slime sit in this bowl for 2 days, and I'll come back when it's glossy.